Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add text on the lock screen on Realme C67 device. By adding a name on the phone lock screen can help you to identify your phone easily. This is useful if your phone is similar to someone else or if you often leave your phone in public place. Okay, here are the steps to do. Well, first thing first, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here, please select the display option. And then, in this section, you can choose lock screen menu. Okay, after that, you can press add text on the lock screen option. Well, and then here you can add your name or other information according to your need. Okay, and then now let's check it. Okay, and then the text is successfully added to the lock screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add text on the lock screen on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.